Okay. Demonstrating the Sifely lock and handle. This has a lot of different options for ways to open it. So all of them start with tapping the screen to wake it up. And then, let's see if I can remember the code.
Operation failed.
Oops.
Unlocked.
I remembered it. So then you can also open it from, or unlock it from the app, as long as you are kind of in the same. I'm guessing it's based on the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, unless you buy an additional gateway, which I did do, but I'm kind of irritated that I have to buy additional equipment to make that happen. Anyway, it also came with a couple of these cards that you don't even have to do anything. So that's nice, like if you have a guest or something. And it also has a fingerprint reader. And if all else fails, like you have the battery runs out if you go away for a long time or something like that. It runs on 4 AA batteries. You can always use this key to manually unlock, and that also works. You can turn off the talking, the sound, and I think that's everything. This thing has a lot of different functions to make it easy. You can set your users to one time, recurring, or all the time, which I think is pretty cool, because if you have people come to your house on a regular basis at a specific time, you could just set it to noon on Friday every week, or whatever that is. You can give people their own passcode kind of thing. You can give them one of these little tags, or give them access like they have if they get the app. So it's pretty cool. Again, my only complaint is that to use it remotely, I have to have an additional gateway.
Unlocked. Locked. Operation failed. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked.